This is a conference about advanced manufacturing. I'm with the company called Burillo-Hopkins, and I'm responsible for all of our manufacturing facilities here in North America. I attended today to talk a little bit about some of the digital transformation ideas that we're employing at Burillo-Hopkins. So it's very important for us to stay engaged with the community colleges, and in particular this community college, because of what they're working on. 2 out of every 3 employees that work for our company work in manufacturing, so manufacturing is very important to us.
But along the way, he created the opportunity for millions upon millions of Americans to build lives of prosperity and pride and dignity.
What a great day. I want to compliment Madeline Burillo, president of our Southwest College, for all the work she and her staff put into this. You know, the message I heard today is that the dignity of work, all of the opportunities in manufacturing, that's where the creativity is. That's what this country is built on, is new ideas and then putting those ideas into production in the most efficient way, and everyone winning from all levels of workers. And it's not just about the leadership, it's about everybody pitching in. That's the American dream. So I'm so glad Houston Community College is a part of that.
I'm glad that Houston Community College brought this together and made it happen. It was important because we needed employers to hear the educators' concerns and the educators' concerns to the employers, as well as some governmental aspects and how all these things play a role towards advancing our cause in expanding manufacturing in the United States.
So today's event was a great opportunity, bringing together the business community and the educational community to talk about the skills that we need to train for, that you need to train for here at HCC for the manufacturing sector to succeed in Houston. It's a great example of community partnerships building a strong economy.